I just received a package from Earjoy. These are earplugs, and they come with 3 different types of earplugs, including earplugs for swimming, earplugs for sleeping, and earplugs for noise reduction. And these are great for taking with you when you travel, great for taking on vacation. If you work in a loud environment, they're perfect for that. If you go to concerts or parties, sometimes it gets a little loud. They're great for that. My hobby is going to auto races, and it's very loud in the pits and in the stands as the cars are racing. So I like to carry the earplugs with me all the time for that. They are made from a silicone material. They are reusable. They can be cleaned. They can be washed. If they get too dirty, they can be soaked and washed thoroughly as well. There also is 3 sets of a silicone earplugs that mold to your ear, so you can get a really good fit with that. And all of these are included on Amazon in the same box. They all come packaged like this. They're perfect for giving to someone who enjoys different hobbies or works in a loud environment that could really use some earplugs. They're great to put in a stocking for Christmas as well. The entire package is $9.99, which is a great deal. I'll have the link below in the description. And if you search for them on Amazon, you can look up the company is listed under EAJO. And that's the Earjoy earplugs, designed to protect your ears from harmful noises levels at loud events, for swimming, for sleeping, to protect you from that loud snorer next to you, or maybe even yourself if you're a loud snorer, from waking yourself up. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and you have a great day.